Stop overpaying for SEO tools. Here's the brutal truth about cheap alternatives. Before we dive in, I've got special discount links for both tools in the description below, so definitely check those out. Today we're settling the debate between Mangools and Ubersuggest, two tools that promise SEO insights without the premium price tag. But which one actually delivers? Let's start with what you get. Mangools gives you 5 tools in one package: keyword research, rank tracking, backlink analysis, and competitor research. Ubersuggest offers similar features, but with a more streamlined interface that Neil Patel's team has been refining for years. Here's where it gets interesting pricing. Mangools starts at around $30 a month, while Ubersuggest comes in slightly cheaper at about $20. But here's the brutal truth: both have limitations. Mangools has smaller databases compared to premium tools, and Ubersuggest can be slow with large keyword lists. However, for small businesses and solo marketers, these limitations might not matter. Mangools excels at user experience and has better international data, while Ubersuggest shines with content ideas and has stronger integration with other marketing tools. My honest recommendation: if you're doing local SEO or working internationally, go with Mangools. If you're focused on content marketing and need those extra content suggestions, Ubersuggest wins. Remember to grab those discount links in the description. They'll save you some serious cash on whichever tool you choose.